straight line. In this video, we are going to study about various form of equation of a line. Equation of a line parallel to x-axis. Let AB is a line parallel to x-axis and take P point on AB. Draw PM perpendicular to x-axis. Then Pn is equal to y and the length of y is equal to b. Then we say y is equal to b is a required equation of a line AB. If the line is drawn below the positive of x-axis, or say it is parallel to x positive direction of x-axis, but it gives the negative points of y, then we say y is equal to minus b is a required equation, and in that case the line has been drawn below this x-axis in the fourth quadrant. Equation of x-axis is y is equal to 0. Equation of line parallel to y-axis. Again, draw a line parallel to y-axis. Say AB is a line parallel to y-axis and P is any point on it. Draw PN perpendicular to y. The Pn is equal to x and the length of x is equal to a. Then we say x is equal to a is a required equation of a line. And if this line is being drawn to in the second quadrant, then we say x is equal to minus a is the equation of a line. Now, equation of a y-axis is x is equal to 0. Point slope form. Let L be any line passing through the point A, x1, y1 having a slope m, and let P, xy be a point on L. Then the slope by 2-point form is given as y minus y1 upon x minus x1. Now slope of line L is also equal to m. So we say that y minus y1 upon x minus x1 is equal to m, or we can say y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. Be the required equation of a line passing through a fixed point and having slope m. Equation of a line passing through origin is given as y is equal to mx. Here point is given to us as origin, means point is 0, 0. So we say y is equal to mx is the required equation of a line passing through origin. Equation of a line in 2-point form. Let L be a line passing through the two given points P x1 y1 and P2 x2 y2. Let P be any point on a given line. Then these 3 points P1, P and P2 all lie on a same line. They are collinear. Therefore, slope of P1, P1P and slope of P1, P2 are equal. So we have y minus y1 upon x minus x1 is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Thus we get y minus y1 upon y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, and this goes here x minus x1 is the required equation of a line passing through 2 points. Slope intercept form. Equation of a line with slope m and one of the intercepts on the x-axis is given to us. So here we say, consider case 1. Let a line L with slope m makes an intercept c on y-axis. Then we say that L is a line and it makes its intercept c on y-axis. That means this point is given as 0, c. Then point slope form, equation of a line is given by y minus c is equal to m times x minus 0. Or you can say y is equal to mx plus c is the required equation of a line in slope intercept form. Case 2, let L be a line with slope m makes intercepts d on x-axis. Then we say this L is a line and this is x-axis, y-axis. The point D0, which intersects at x-axis, makes form an equation of a line as y minus 0 is equal to m times x minus d. Or you can say y is equal to m times x minus d is a required equation of a line in slope intercept form. This equation line is called slope intercept form. Intercept form. Let a line L makes x intercepts a and y intercepts b on the axis. Let the line L meets x-axis at point A, comma 0 and point B, 0, comma B. Then we say using 2-point form equation we will get y minus 0 is equal to b minus 0 upon 0 minus a, x minus a, or you can say that ay is equal to minus bx plus ab, or it reduces to give us the value as x upon a plus y upon b is equal to 1 is a required equation of a line in intercept form. Normal form, again let L be a line makes x and axis meets x axis at A and y axis at B. Then we say draw perpendicular ON on AB on a line L, making an angle alpha. Then if this angle is alpha, then this angle is given as 90 degree minus alpha, because this is a they are intersecting, these are 90 degrees. So if this is angle alpha, then this is 90 minus alpha. Now in triangle ONB, in this triangle what will we get? We get OBN in triangle sine alpha. Sine alpha gives us the value as sine alpha perpendicular upon hypotenuse. In this triangle, this is ON is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So we get ON upon OB. ON upon OB. That means P upon OB. Therefore, we get OB as P upon sine alpha. Similarly, in triangle ONA, this is a 90 degree angle. So cos alpha is equal to ON upon OA. Cos alpha is ON upon OA. That means P upon OA. So OA gives the result as P upon cos alpha. So here if OA is P upon cos alpha, that means this point is P upon cos alpha comma 0. This point is P upon cos alpha comma 0. And this point will give us as 0 comma P upon sine alpha. So we say that L makes the intercepts P upon cos alpha on x-axis and P upon sine alpha on y-axis. Therefore, by intercept form, the equation is x upon P upon cos alpha plus y upon P upon sine alpha is equal to 1. On solving, we get x cos alpha plus y sine alpha is equal to P is the required equation of a line in normal form, where P is the distance. P is the distance, perpendicular distance from the origin to the line. Find the equation of a line which is parallel to y-axis at a distance of 2 units to the right. Any equation or which is parallel to y-axis that can be represented as, this is y-axis, this is x. So 1 and 2, this is 2 and 3. So that means the line should be parallel to y-axis. It should be like this at a distance of 2 units. And this gives the value as x is equal to 2. That means the equation of a line, required equation of line is x is equal to 2, or you can say that x minus 2 is equal to 0. This is the required equation of a line, x minus 2 is equal to 0. As it is 2 units to the right of the y-axis, therefore it is represented the plus 2. So x is equal to 2 and the required equation is x minus 2 equal to 0. Find the equation of line parallel to axis and passing through the point minus 2 and 3. Since any line parallel to axis, this is y-axis and this is x-axis. Parallel to y-axis, it is 3, it's given to us, point is 3, say 1, 2, 3. One line is this and 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2. Other line is like this. X minus 2, this is x is equal to minus 2 and this is y is equal to 3. So the line as y is equal to 3 is parallel to x-axis, y is equal to 3 parallel to x-axis. So equation of line parallel to x-axis is y is equal to 3, or you can say y minus 3 is equal to 0. So equation of line parallel to y-axis is x is equal to minus 2, or you can say x plus 2 is equal to 0. So these are the required equation of a line. X plus 2 is equal to 0, x minus 3 is equal to 0 as parallel to the x-axis, and this is parallel to y-axis. Find the equation of a line passing through the point 5 minus 2 with slope is equal to minus 4. We know the equation of a line 1-point form. Here we will use 1-point form, 1-point slope form equation. But that is y minus y1 is equal to slope x minus x1. Substitute the value here. Y minus y1 is minus 2 is equal to slope is minus 4, x minus 5. On solving we get y plus 2 is equal to minus 4x plus 20. This implies 4x plus y minus 18 is equal to 0. So this is the required equation of a line which passes through the point and having slope minus 4. The required equation is 4x plus y minus 18 equals to 0. Find the equation of a line whose inclination is 135 degree and y-intercept is minus 5. So we say the required equation of a line passing through 0 comma minus 5, as y-intercept is minus 5. So it passes through the point 0 comma minus 5 and making an angle of 135 degree. So required equation of a line passes through 0 comma minus 5 through the point 0 comma minus 5 and makes an angle of 135 degree. That means slope m is equal to tan 135 degree, which is equal to tan 180 minus 45 degree. That means minus tan 45 degree, because 180 minus theta is minus tan theta. This gives me the result as minus 1. So my required slope is minus 1. Point is given as 0 minus 5. So 1 point slope form is given as y minus y1 slope x minus x1. Substitute the value, you will get y minus of minus 5 is equal to minus 1 x minus 0. Here we get y plus 5 is equal to minus x. So this implies x plus y plus 5 is equal to 0 is the required equation of a line. Similarly, in this case also, find the equation of a line intersecting y-axis at the distance of 2 units above the origin and making an angle of 30 degree with the positive direction of x-axis. And again we say that the required equation of a line passes through the point as it is 2 units above the origin and y-axis, passes through 0 comma 2, makes an angle of 30 degree. Therefore slope is given as slope m is equal to tan 30 degree, which is equal to 1 by root 3. So again 1 point slope form is y minus y1 m x minus x1. Substitute the value, y minus 2 is equal to 1 by root 3 x minus 0. So on solving we get root 3y minus 2 root 3 is equal to x. So x minus root 3y plus 2 root 3 equal to 0 is the required equation of a line. The vertex of a triangle PQR is P21, Q minus 23 and R is 4, 5. Find the equation of the median through the vertex R. So first of all we find the point that falls on a line PQ to give the median. That means say PQR is a triangle. PQR is a triangle with points 2, 1, minus 2, 3 and 4, 5. Draw RN, say RN be the median. RN is the median of the triangle PQR. So if Rn is a median, then N is a midpoint of PQ. Rn is a median and N is a midpoint of PQ. So by midpoint formula, we calculate the coordinates of N. That give me the result as, so coordinates of N are 2 minus 2 divided by 2 and 1 plus 3 1 plus 3 divided by 2. That means the coordinates of n are 0, 2. So 0, 2 are the coordinates of n. Equation of a line of Rn, median. Equation of median line is, we use a 2-point formula as 2 point is given to use. So we have by 2-point formula is y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 x minus x1. So we have y minus 2, y2 minus y1, 5 minus 2, x2 minus upon x2 minus x1, 4 minus 0, x minus 0. On solving we get y minus 2 is equal to 3 by 4 x. So cross multiply, 4y minus 8 is equal to 3x. This implies 3x minus 4y minus 8 is equal to 0 is the required equation of a median. We have to find the find the equation of a median through the vertex R. So this is the required equation of a median. So we can say that required equation of median is 3x minus 4y minus 8 equal to 0. Find the equation of a line whose length of perpendicular segment from the origin is 4 unit and the inclination of perpendicular segment with the positive direction of x-axis is 30 degree. So here it is given to us, say this is an x-axis and y-axis, this is the origin, and a line is given like L is the line. So the distance from the origin to the line, perpendicular distance from the origin to the line is 4 unit is given to us, and it makes a 30 degree angle with the positive direction of x-axis. So we can say that the equation of line in normal form is given as x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p, the perpendicular distance. Here alpha angle is given as 30 degree and p length of perpendicular is 4 unit. Substitute the value, we get x cos 30 degree plus y sin 30 degree is equal to the perpendicular distance 4. So here cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2. So substitute the value, root 3 by 2x, and sin 30 degree is half. So half y is equal to 4. We get root 3x plus y is equal to 8 is by required equation. Required equation of a line. Under root 3x plus y is equal to 8. Next is given to us, prove that the straight line whose intercepts on the x-axis are 2 and minus 3 respectively, then it passes through the point 4, 3. This we have to prove. Since intercepts is given to us as 2 and 3, so first of all we write the equation in intercept form. Equation of line in intercept form is given as x upon a plus y upon b is equal to 1. According to this question, intercept given to us 2, a is 2 and b is equal to minus 3. Substitute the value, we get x upon 2 plus y upon minus 3 is equal to 1. This implies 3x minus 2y is equal to 6. Or you can say that 3x minus 2y minus 6 is equal to 0 is the required equation. Now we have to prove that this line passes through the point 4, 3. So to check it, to prove line 1 passes through the point 4, 3. Substitute the value of x as 4 and y as 3 and we check it out. We get 3 into 4 minus 2 into 3 plus minus 6 is equal to 0. This implies, this give me the result as 12 minus 6 is equal to 0. Hence this is true. Hence we say equation of a line passes through 4 and 3. So this is how we have to prove that. We have to prove that this line passes through the point 4, 3 and we check that and we substitute the value as x as 4 and y as 3. We get the result that they are equal to 0. Hence we say that the line passes through the point 4 and 3. Find the equation of a line which passes through the point 22, minus 6 whose intercepts on the x-axis exceeds the intercepts of y-axis by 5. First of all, we write the equation in intercept form, which is given as equation of line in intercept form x upon a plus y upon b is equal to 1, where a is the intercepts of x intercepts and b is y intercepts. Now, according to the problem, if y intercept is equal to b, then x intercepts will be b plus 5, because it says that x intercepts exceeds the y intercepts by 5. So it will be b plus 5. So it means a is equal to b plus 5. So here we can say that a is equal to b plus 5. Now substitute the value, and also it passes through the point 22 minus 6. So x is 22 and y is minus 6. Substitute the value, we get 22 upon b plus 5 plus y is minus 6 divided by b is equal to 1, as b is the y intercepts. Now cross multiply and solve this, we get 22b minus 6 times b plus 5 is equal to b times b plus 5. Taking the LCM and this denominator multiplied by 1, we get b times b plus 5. So on solving, 22b minus 6b minus 30 is equal to b square plus 5b. So here we get b square 22 plus 5b, 22b minus 6b goes to that side, gives us plus 6b minus 22b plus 30 equals to 0. So 5 plus 6 is 11, 11 minus 22 is minus 11. So we get b square minus 11b plus 30 is equal to 0. Splitting the middle term, we get the factors as b minus 6 and b minus 5 equal to 0. So b is equal to 6 or 5. Now consider the two cases. If b is 6, then a is equal to 6 plus 5, that means a is 11. So required equation is given as x upon 11 plus y upon 6 is equal to 1. That means 6x plus 11y is equal to 66, or you can say 6x plus 11y minus 66 is equal to 0. This is the required equation. Second part, if b is equal to 5, if b is 5, then a will be 10. So we have a is equal to 5 plus 5, a is 10. Now substitute the value in this standard equation of intercept form, we get x upon 10 plus y upon 5 is equal to 1. Cross multiply, 5x plus 10y is equal to 50. Divide throughout by 5, you will get x plus 2y equals to 10, or you can say x plus 2y minus 10 is equal to 0 is the required equation of a line. So we get two required equations. One is 6x plus 11y minus 66 equal to 0, and another is x plus 2y minus 10 is equal to 0. Find the equation of a line which passes through the point 2, 2 and sum of its intercepts on axis is 9. The equation of a line in intercept form is given as intercept form x upon a plus y upon b is equal to 1. Sum of its intercepts is equal to 9 is given to us. That means a plus b is equal to 9. So this implies b is equal to 9 minus a. Substitute the value of b in first equation. Also, this line passes through the point 2, 2. That means x is 2 and y is 2. So we get as 2 upon a plus 2 upon, instead of b I will write 9 minus a is equal to 1. Cross multiply, we get 2 times 9 minus a plus 2a is equal to a 9 minus a. So on solving, we get 18 minus 2a plus 2a is equal to 9a minus a square. Take this side, 9a minus a square to left hand side, so that we get a square minus 9a plus 18 is equal to 0. Because minus 2a and 2a will cancel out, we get the equation as 9 square, a square minus 9a plus 18. Make the factors. We get a minus 3 and a minus 6 is equal to 0. The factors of 18 is 3 and 6. So the value of a is equal to 3 and 6. 3 or 6. Now if a is 6, if a is 3, so we consider case 1. If a is equal to 3, then b is equal to 9 minus 3, that means 6. Because 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. Here 9 minus a, b is 9 minus a, we get 6. So we get the required equation will be x upon 3 plus y upon 6 is equal to 1. That means cross multiply 6x plus 3y is equal to 18. 6x plus 3y minus 18 equal to 0 is the required equation. Consider case 2. Case 2 when a is 6. If a is equal to 6, then b is equal to 9 minus 6, that means b is equal to 3. So substitute the value in this first equation. We get x upon 6 plus y upon 3 is equal to 1. Cross multiply 3x plus 6y is equal to 18, or you can say 3x minus 6y plus 6y minus 18 is equal to 0. Or more you want to simplify, divide throughout by 3, you will get x plus 2y minus 3, 6 is equal to 0. Here also you can say 2x plus y minus 6 is equal to 0 is the required equation. So we have the two required equation of this line as 2x plus y minus 6 is equal to 0 or x plus 2y minus 6 is equal to 0. When the equation of a line passes through the point 2, 2 and having the sum of intercepts as 9, we get two required equations. Find the equation of a line which passes through the point 0, 2, making an angle 2 pi by 3 with the positive x-axis. Also find the equation of a line parallel to this given line, which we construct that line, and crossing the y-axis at a distance of 2 units below the origin. So first of all, we observe this. This is y-axis and this is x-axis. And this is negative of y-axis. So here we say 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2. The first line, it says that find the equation of line which passes through this point is 0, 2, passes through this and makes the angle, say makes an angle 2 pi by 3 with positive direction of x-axis. And again another line, this is line 1, and another line which is parallel to this line passes through and below the origin. This is 0, minus 2 and this point is 0, 2. So L2 is parallel to L1, and again it's make the same angle 2 pi by 3, and this point is below 2 unit below the origin. So first of all we calculate the equation of a line L1. So we have, say, equation of line L1 is given as, here it gives us that m is a slope as it makes an angle of 2 pi by 3. So we say m is equal to tan 2 pi by 3, which is equal to minus root 3. So 1 point slope form, 1 point slope form equation will be given as y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. Substitute the value as y as 2 and x as 0. So we get y minus 2 is equal to minus root 3 x minus 0. Y minus 2 is equal to minus root 3x. So we get root 3x plus y minus 2 is equal to 0 is the required equation of a line. Case 2. This is our case 1. So here equation of a line L2. Equation of line L2 where L2 is parallel to L1. So the slope are equal. We know that if lines are parallel, their slopes are equal. So we say that the slope of line L2 is equal to slope of line L1. So we have again same is equal to minus root 3. So we say 1 point slope form is y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. Substitute the value y as minus 2 and x as 0. We get y minus of minus 2 means plus 2 is equal to slope minus root 3 x minus 0. This implies that we get y plus 2 is equal to minus root 3x, or you can say that root 3x plus y plus 2 is equal to 0 is the required equation of a line which is parallel to the line L1. So we have two lines. One is root 3x plus y minus 2 equal to 0, and other line parallel to this line is root 3x plus y plus 2 is equal to 0. PA comma B is the midpoint of a line segment between the axes. Show that the equation of a line is x upon a plus y upon b is equal to 2. First of all, we make a line which passes through the axis. So we have, say this is x-axis, this is y-axis, and this is a line L which passes through the axis, and say the line L passes through x-axis at point A whose coordinates are c comma 0, and y-axis at point B whose coordinates is 0 comma D. And P is the midpoint of line L is given to us. It's given A comma B. So we say that let A, the coordinate of A is c comma 0 and coordinate of B is 0 comma D, and midpoint of AB is given as c by 2 and D by 2. Also P is the midpoint of AB. Also PAB is a midpoint of AB. This implies that c by 2 is equal to A and D by 2 is equal to B. So C is equal to 2A and D is equal to 2B. So required equation is given as required equation of line in intercept form as the points are c comma 0 and 0 comma D. So we have the equation given as the equation of line intercept form is given as x by c plus y by D is equal to 1. Substitute the value of c and D in this equation from first part. From 1 we will get calculate the value of, we substitute the value of c and D, we get x upon 2a plus y upon 2b is equal to 1. This implies x upon a plus y upon b is equal to 2 is the required equation. Required equation of line L. This is what I have to prove, that we have to show that x upon a plus y upon b is equal to 2 is the equation of a line. So we have proved that x upon a plus y upon b is equal to 2 is the required equation of a line L. Hope you understand about the equation of a line, how to calculate the equation of line by intercept form and by normal form, or 2-point form is given to us, slope form is given, 1-point slope form is given to us. We have calculated all type of equations. So must watch this video from the beginning once again so that concept is clear to you. Do like and subscribe my video.